Well, majority of us, we started our politics under Ford.
Okay.
As students in 1991-92. Later, I was the first chairman, Seitogaiga, ODM.
Okay.
I was a great fan. Mheshimiwa marehemu Raila. We worked extremely close. Aire tuachakane tenere from 1994 keraisa asirete. So ukuruwa ni ukua eri bakuruwa na mheshimiwa wa Marwa in Thika. I was there. All through. You have been with Raila. Karongo tena chikura chintanga ni usiang kolenta Raila usi. Aba usi bari kondu tamagena na ki. Ngoyo watore entera. So at least we have a certain attachment as a ODM. I tuanyirwe tore in the sometime back around 2017. One karoto kunyiri ibintu bigendera toro. Asa now muntulgire from far. Wakora bintu bigokolekana ali bigokolekana bina serikali telimbe. And then nyore umheshimiwa the president na tebeti dia Raila asirire na tingwanjwa. I will not accept ODM against opposition.
Patikale serikali.
Nendere itaga chaga tebia. You mentioned it. Sifuna. Manya, I'm one of the founder members ja ODM. You go enda pole pole. Kienda haraka, nitaita founder members tukufukuze. That's what is happening. So that tells you, who is involved? Who is involved? There's a mangana ODM. ODM was a big party.
Yes.
Yale kubwatira na yo kenyene. And they receive a presidential candidate. Now yale ko give the rest of the political parties a run for their money.
Sure.
But from the look of things, it's unfortunate. ODM enyene yewon mokuru ODM, you like it or not, ODM is part of ODM and part of UDA. Chikure jitoko and August, it's the end of ODM. You'll never hear about ODM again. It will just die.
Okay.
It will just die. Yeah, it will just die because no rochu na usia ya eli teyo. Teyo, bone usi takardeki.
Teyo.
There are problems now ODM in Western. Waro jibaka bantu bandu abata Rusi sifuna Rusi so si. Forget about ODM in Western. Noroche kicho bagu kwa na Coast bawata na to tie running mate. We have done away with ODM. ODM will be finally oja kutikara Migori. Ose mabei na Kisumu. Mainsia ya might go away. Yeah. So literally it will be the end of ODM.
Okay.
As a party. Otherwise, so also kwenye bwata babungi komi. And that is the end of the story. So we start writing the obituary of ODM.
Asa kenjiyo kwa.
Mheshimiwa